Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shelbei. So today I'm coming back with another hair review. This wig was sent to me by ReadyWig, and their website is ReadyWig.com. First, I'm just going to start off with like the packaging, how they sent me the wig, and then we'll go from there. So they sent me the wig in this box right here. It's nice packaging, very beautiful. Same color as my wig. I don't know if they correlated that, but you know, that's cute. It came with a card, a nice little card just with the hair care message on there, you know, what most wigs come with. And it also came with a little cute little spray bottle for like your little water bottle. And you might, if you do decide to get this wig, you might need the water because I had to spray this hair down a couple of times to just like lay it. And it also came with like a little wig cap just in case you want to wrap your hair up underneath. I don't put wig caps under my wigs just because they make me feel uncomfortable. So if you want to use that, of course you have it. You don't have to run to the store and get one, so that's very convenient. But inside of the box they have like a little message here. It's very cute, very cute. The wig that I chose on the website looks like this. Let me show you guys. It looks like this, and I would say it's true to picture. So didn't tell you guys this, but it is synthetic. I know it doesn't look synthetic, and it doesn't feel synthetic. That's the one thing I do like about it as well. It does not feel synthetic. It has a very soft texture, and it's not like a stringy texture either, and I can run my fingers through it. Like I could actually trust this wig throughout the day. So I do like that about this. On the website right now, it is $45.99, and I do want you guys to know that I do have a coupon code, and I'll list it right there at the bottom of my screen. So make sure you click the link in the bio and go on their website and order your wig. If it's not this wig, it's another wig, that's fine. Just use my coupon code, okay? Let me see. So like I said, this is a lace front wig. So it did come with this part is lace, this whole little perimeter right here, and it does come with 1, 2, 3 combs. It also came with adjustable straps as well. So you guys know that I click mine together, and it's just like, it's tight around my neck and the back. I just clink those together and it's snug as a rug. So that's it for the website. So my own personal feeling about this wig. So like I said, I already said the texture was bomb. Does not feel like a synthetic wig. Can trust it throughout the day. Don't feel like it's going to nape up at the neck or anything like that. You know how synthetic wigs do. Like, and then I did not get any shedding from it either. So I ran my fingers through it. I didn't necessarily run my comb through it because I just didn't feel the need to. Like, I feel like finger combing it was good enough. Like, I can do this. And don't do this too much because, like I said, when it dry up, it get real puffy. Unless you want that, you know. And as you can see, you guys, as you can see, it's like a blunt cut. I did have to cut it a little bit more because on that picture, I don't know if you can tell, it was kind of like a blunt cut, It kind of looked like a blunt cut. It was kind of longer in the front and shorter in the back, but I cut it as blunt, like, as I could all around. So it's giving a different vibe now. And of course, we all love our baby hair, so it does come with baby hair for, you know, my baby hair lovers. It comes with baby hair all around the perimeter. It is big hair friendly, I do believe. So if I didn't adjust these straps, like, I would have much more room than what I'm supposed to have. So you guys can look forward to that as well. But if you guys have any additional questions about this wig, let me know in the comments. You guys always come up with some more questions that I forget to put in the video. So let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, do not forget to check the description box for the link and my coupon code. Don't forget. So until next time, you guys, I will see y'all later. Mwah.